Hello students. In previous class we did few questions of exercise 10.2. This week we will continue this exercise only. Now see your book, question number 9. Calculate the compound interest on rupees 4,000 in 2 years if the rate of interest for successive years is 5% and 7% respectively. Means in first year rate will be 5% and in second year rate will be 7%. Formula: amount is equal to P into 1 plus R1 over 100, or next time R2 over 100. Amount is equal to 4,000 multiply 1 plus 5 over 100, 1 plus 7 over 100. 4,000 multiply 105 over 100, 107 over 100, and product is rupees 4494, and this is amount, and compound interest is equal to final amount minus principal. This is 4494 minus 4,000. His answer is 494, compound interest. Now question number 11. Calculate the difference between compound interest and simple interest for 2 years on rupees 8,500 at 6% per annum. Means you should find the simple interest and compound interest also. Yes. Principal 8,500 at 6%, time 2 years, formula simple interest P into R into T over 100. 8,500 multiply 6 multiply 2 over 100, and rupees 1020. Now compound interest, same formula, P into 1 plus R over 100 to time amount. You should find first amount. Amount is equal to 8,500 into 1 plus 6 over 100 time 2 years. 8,500 multiply 106 over 100, 106 over 100. Rupees 1050.60. And this is amount. Rupees 9550.60. This is amount, and compound interest A minus P, 9550.60 minus 8,500. 1050.60, it is compound interest, and simple interest 1020. Yes, now difference between compound interest and simple interest will be 1050.60 minus 1020 is 30.16 is 30 rupees 60 paise. See your book on page number 133, question number 12. Ram borrowed rupees 10,000 from his friend Mohan at 6% per annum simple interest for 2 years. Had he borrowed the same sum at 6% per annum compound interest, what excess amount he have to pay to him? Simple interest, principal 10,000, rate 6% and time 2 years. Find simple interest. P into R into T over 100 means 10,000 multiply 6 multiply 2 over 100. 6 2s are 12. 12 multiply 100, rupees 1,200. Now amount For finding the compound interest, you should find first amount. P 10,000 to 1 plus R over 100 to N means time. 10,000 1 plus 6 over 100 and 2 10,000 multiply 106 over 100 cutting. Now after solving, the answer is amount is rupees 11236. This is amount. Now compound interest, final amount minus principal. 11236 minus 10,000 is 1236. Now in question, last line is what excess amount he have to pay to him. Excess amount 1236 minus simple interest is 1200. Means he have to pay rupees 36. Now question number 13. The difference between compound interest and simple interest on a certain sum of money for 2 years at 5% per annum is rupees 2.50. Find the sum. You should find the sum. Question number 13. Let principal is equal to x, and this side we should find simple interest, and rate 5% and time 2 years. Simple interest P into R into T over 100 is x into 5 multiply 2 over 100. Is 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 10. Means simple interest x over 10. And P is equal to x, and amount is x into 1 plus R 5 over 100 2. Amount is equal to x into 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Means 21 over 20, and 2 times 21 over 20. Amount is equal to 21 21s are 441, and 20 20s are 400. This is amount. Now compound interest, final amount minus principal. 441 over 400 and principal x. 441x minus 400x over 400 is 41 over 400. X is compound interest and simple interest is x over 10. Now question is the difference between compound interest and simple interest is rupees 2.50. According to question, 41 over 400 compound interest and simple interest x over 10 are, how is difference? Rupees 2.50 means 441x minus 40 means 41 minus 40 only x over 400 2.50. This side is x is equal to 2.50 multiply 400. Remove decimal. 25 4s are 100 and last this 0 means principal is 1000. Question number 15. Calculate the compound interest for the second year on rupees 12,000 invested for 4 years at 5% annum. Given time is 4 years. But question is find the compound interest for second year. Now, principal is equal to, question number 15. Principal is equal to rupees 12,000. Rate 5% and time 4 years. Is 2 years. Simple interest for 1. Principal 1. P into R into T. 12,000 multiply 1 multiply 5 over 100. 12 5s are 600. And A1 P plus SI means P 12,000 plus 600 is equal to rupees 12600. And now amount of first year is equal to principal of second year 12600. Means P2 is equal to rupees 12600 and rate same 5%. SI2 P into R into T over 100 means 630. 630 is answer. That's enough, students. Thank you.